also welcome Dr. David P.
The stray dogs, and this is a little bit different for IPSB NHM and stray dogs. So
I would like to extend my heartfelt ways of association with Dr. Harish. We also would like to welcome
very keen interest in part. Throughout India, the number of them increasing, and this has been met with the Supreme Court order issuing notices to all the state governments to prepare how to control and eliminate rabies in the state, which is becoming a very important public health disease. So, in today's program
of comprehensive One Health approach to eliminate dog-mediated human rabies. Lankra, it's a very big area. It comprises of about 13 localities. And for the last few days, we had a meeting with the Deputy Commissioner, and we had a meeting in the Directorate of Health Services.
Although there is no cure after the onset of clinical signs, rabies is 100% preventable through timely post-exposure prophylaxis and vaccination. Secondly, responsible pet ownership. To avoid abandoning pet animals and to treat them with love in accordance with the animal welfare ethics. Thirdly, through public awareness. It can be done at all levels and also should be a continuing process. Fourth, prompt exposure treatment for people. Every human death due to rabies is a tragedy because it can be prevented.